today again we are here in AB World Marketplace. So I will update you what's new camera, what's new gadget here, use item in Marketplace. So we'll start now, guys. First, and again guys, before anything else, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that we will upload regarding photo and video gears and also our items from Marketplace. So let's start now, guys. Last vlog, I showed you already that we have the 5D Mark IV and A7R and even the red camera. Okay, we have the red Komodo, guys. It's 1,499, and again FX30. I think last time is already there, but now we have also the Canon 1DX Mark II for 499. 499, guys. Imagine before it's around 1,000 something, 1,141 plus. Here you can get to 499 Kuwaiti dinar. And also we have R5. Oh, we have R5 here, guys, but the price still 949. It's almost like a brand new, but that's why it's 949. So again, we have also it's written in excellent condition, charger, battery complete, and we have also the R10, two R10, one body and one kit. 229, and this is with the lens. Yes, and with the lens is 299 Kuwaiti dinar. We have the Canon M50 Mark II for 149. M50 Mark II. Also Sony ZV-E1 is also new here. Sony ZV-E1 149. Oh, 6,400 is that new? Thanks, yeah. And we have two Fuji X-T30. X-T30, yeah. One is with the thumb grip. It's very nice thumb grip. Yeah, X-T30. I like this one, guys. For 219, and the other one is 119. 219, and 199. So this is our camera here, a new camera added in the AB World Marketplace. And we can come here. This area, I think I did the vlog already for the lenses, but again, if you want to check all the lenses, you can check my previous vlog regarding these lenses from Marketplace, and the link is here. Okay, so next we have here this area. Again, we have Nikon lenses they added, and we have DJI. So if you're looking for a drone, stabilizer, yeah, we have here, guys. Okay, let's open. First, we have the DJI Mini 2 SE. Okay, it's open box. It's not sealed anymore. That's why we put here 2M SE for 149 Kuwaiti dinar. Flymore combo, right? So Flymore combo SE. We have Mavic 3 Classic again. It's not sealed, that's why we're selling here for 499, discounted. Okay, so we have two Avatar. First, we showed you already the Avatar 199, just the drone, and we have here Avatar DJI 399, which is an open box, and it's already remote. Actually, it's a brand new, but it's open box. And we have the DJI Mavic 3 Pro, which is 849. We have also Mavic 3 Cine 1,299, and DJI RC. So if you're looking for a remote, RC remote, just RC remote we have here for 79,950 Kuwaiti dinar, and DJI RS3 Pro combo for 299 Kuwaiti dinar. All this is not sealed, so that's why we are selling for discounted price. So yeah, I think that's it for today, guys. So I've just updated you what gears or camera it's already added here in our AB World Marketplace. So if you want to check, you can visit us here in Symphony Marketplace in the basement 1, Salmiya. So yeah, if you are here in Kuwait, come and visit our showroom, AB World Marketplace. you can check all the items that we have available here. So I think that's it for today. Thank you and mabuhay.